Welcome! Today, I'll show you how to hide invite links on Discord Web using Streamer Mode on your PC with the latest update. If you stream or share your screen, protecting your server's invite links is crucial to keep your community safe. Let's get started and make sure your Discord privacy is locked down. First, open Discord directly from your browser. You don't need to download anything, just head to the Discord website and log into your account. Once you're inside, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon and, right next to it, a small gear icon. Click on that gear to open your user settings. Now, scroll down the menu on the left until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. Click on it to access all the privacy controls designed for streamers and content creators. Streamer Mode is a fantastic feature that helps you hide sensitive information while you're live, and it's super easy to set up. Inside the Streamer Mode settings, you'll see several toggles. Look for the option that says Hide Invite Links. This is the setting that will make sure your server's invite links stay private whenever you're streaming or sharing your screen. To enable it, simply click the switch next to Hide Invite Links. When it turns purple, you'll know it's active. With this setting turned on, Discord will automatically hide any server invite links from your screen while Streamer Mode is enabled. This means you can stream, record, or share your screen with confidence, knowing your invite links are protected from accidental leaks. That's all it takes. Just a few quick steps, and your Discord invite links are hidden from view while you're in Streamer Mode. Remember, keeping your community safe starts with protecting your invite links. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on keeping your Discord experience secure and private. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!